Hey, you know what we should do? We should make a quick, fresh jalapeno pineapple hot sauce. The first thing you want to do is slice your jalapenos in half and remove the seeds. Next, slice up some pineapple into about 1 to 2 inch cubes. Combine the peppers, pineapple, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, a third cup of white or apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Put that in a pan over medium-high heat. Bring that to a boil, reduce the heat, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Pour that mixture into a blender and blend until very smooth. While blending, here's a fun fact.
What?
Contrary to popular belief, it is not the seeds that give us the heat sensation, but rather the veins inside of the chili. This is where most of the capsaicin is held, the chemical compound that gives us said heat sensation. So if you like spice, don't skimp on the veins. Let's add in our xanthan gum to help thicken and stabilize our sauce. Blend for at least another minute. Transfer the mixture to a reusable bottle and store in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. If it lasts, because it's so good, you're just gonna wanna drink it, you know? Let us know what you think in the comments and subscribe to LabX. Okay, bye!